Starbucks has a wide selection of drinks for the summer. This summer berry lemonade refresher is one of their infamous drinks. By using the simple syrup base for this recipe, we can easily make 2 other variations and make 3 drinks instead of 1. I'll tell you how to make all 3, so stick around. Let's start with the summer berry refresher base. Since this needs to cool a bit before making the drink, you could make this the night before if you don't have the patience making it the day of. In a medium-sized pot, add 1½ cups of water, 1 cup of white grape juice, ½ a cup of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of citric acid or a squeeze of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of raspberry extract, 1 teaspoon of blackberry extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of blueberry extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of blue spirulina powder. Whisk the ingredients over low heat until everything is combined and the blue spirulina has dissolved. Remove the syrup from the heat and transfer it to a large jar. Allow the jar to cool to room temperature, then store it in the fridge until you are ready to make your drinks. For the bottom of our drink, we will need a 1/4 cup of raspberry boba. We will start by measuring out ½ a cup of the refresher base. I admit I wasn't completely satisfied with the blue color, so I added some blue food coloring to make it more vibrant. Add in a handful of ice. After coloring my drink, I thought, well, let's color the base too. I hope this doesn't come back to bite me. Time to make the summer berry lemonade refresher. To our refresher base, we will add ½ a cup of lemonade. Mix this and set it aside. In a tall glass, add your raspberry boba. Then add a handful of ice. Pour your refresher base over the boba. Unfortunately, the food dye I used was too intense, and now there is no separation of red and blue in my drink. I tried to add more water in the hopes of seeing some contrast, but perhaps the food dye coloring was a mistake. Still, let's add the boba straw and try it. The taste is perfect, but it no longer has the two-tone color effect that it's supposed to. That is 1 drink down. Before I talk about how to fix this and the other variations, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Back to the drinks. Because it greatly annoyed me, I really quickly whipped up another batch of the base, but this time I added ½ a teaspoon of the blue spirulina powder to get a bluer shade instead of an almost gray-green of the first base. This time when I assembled it, you can clearly see the red raspberry boba and the drink. I didn't add lemonade, just water. I wasn't sure if the lemon affected the color too much either. If you want to make a summer berry refresher, keep the same base we made on the stove. When assembling your drink, add ½ a cup of the base and ½ a cup of water and a 1/4 cup of the red raspberry boba. For the summer skies variation, keep the same base, add ½ a cup of the base, ½ a cup of sweetened coconut milk, and a 1/4 cup of the raspberry boba. I admit I had a little trouble with the color at first, but everything turned out great. I played around with the blue spirulina powder during the week and found out that if I put 1 to 2 teaspoons in the base, I have a deeper blue color for the drink. If you want a more intense blue color, adjust the amount of blue spirulina. Just don't use food coloring like I did. The food coloring ended up dyeing the boba and made the drink feel less satisfying. But let me know how it went for you and which drink you chose to make. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.